Hi, I'm Dina Castillo with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to our newest Mount Lebanon listing, 500 Bower Hill Road. Come on, let's go take a tour. This absolutely charming 3-bed, 1.5-bath home features hardwood floors throughout and a wood-burning fireplace. The main level also includes an updated half bath with new vanity, tile, fixtures, and lovely custom wallpaper. How gorgeous is this kitchen? The current homeowners have completely transformed the space by taking down the old wall between the kitchen and dining room, adding double the amount of space and storage. They also added new cabinetry, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and subway tile backsplash. I also love the pops of gold with these vintage pendant lights. On the exterior, you'll find a beautiful brick facade and slate roof. You're also going to enjoy the convenience of a fully fenced yard, perfect for the pups and kiddos. One of the best parts of this home is its location. You're just a short walk over to the shops and restaurants on Beverly Road. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own in Mount Lebanon. For more information, visit our website, coultercastillorealtors.com. Again, I'm Dina Castillo with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.